Hi friends, I am Sriram. First of all, my heartfelt thanks to you for giving me the opportunity to address you through this video. Friends, for the past 2 years, I am running a company in the name of Sai Tool Solutions in Ikattangal, Chennai. In our company, we are doing own mold projects for all kinds of plastic components to the leading companies. And also, I am running a CAD/CAM CAE training center in the name of Pride CAD Solutions Enterprises in Ganesh Institute of Engineering, Adambakam, Chennai. This institute situated very close to St. Thomas Mount Railway Station, also called Parangimalai Station, in the way of Tambaram to Beach Station. Friends, just a 5-minute walk from station, you can reach this institute. Friends, I am very proud because I have started my first training center in an institute which has been running for the past 35 years and has attained in the field of academics. This institute providing training classes for AMIE and AMAESI degrees. The both degrees are equivalent to BE. The AMAESI degree is equivalent to aeronautical engineering. Also, this institute provides gate training classes for mechanical and aeronautical branches. Friends, last year, nearly 150 students of this college qualified in GATE exam and got admission like IIT and NIT. Every year, the students have obtained of this institute top 10 rank in GATE exam, especially in aeronautical branch. For AMIE degree, the students who are all currently studying here, they are from leading companies in Chennai doing this degree in part-time. For AMAESI degree, the students are from all over India. Even though this institute has much maintained a very low profile without publicity, still is quite popular among students. It has reached this position mainly due to the founder of Professor Krishnan Sir, who dedicated all his life to the benefit of students' community. Sir is no more, but still his soul is blessing the student to success in their academic. This is Ms. Nirmala Madam, principal of this college, giving a dedicated support for this institute around 30 years to ensure quality education to the students. Friends, these CAD/CAM CAE streams have lot of challenging job opportunities in small, medium and large scale industries. There are lot of multinational companies in India providing engineering services to leading own equipment manufacturing companies. This CAD/CAM CAE application is vast because it can be applicable to all streams like household and home appliances to automobile, aircraft, aerospace like industrial products also. Friends, we have a great opportunity to enter dream companies by doing CAD/CAM CAE courses along with our academic. Friends, I have a small intro for you about CAD, CAM and CAE. What is CAD? CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. It can be defined as the use of computer systems, softwares and associated hardware to assist in creation, modification, analysis and optimization of a design. What is CAM? CAM stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing. It is a subsequent computer-aided process after computer-aided design and sometimes computer-aided engineering. As the model generated in CAD software verified in CAE, which then controls the input to CAM software, which then controls the tool functions. Yes friends, here you can see one CAD model and one machine part. This CAD model only given input to CAM software to generate the tool path to achieve this machining. What is CAE? CAE stands for Computer Aided Engineering. Analyze the robustness and performance of components and assemblies. The term encompasses simulation, validation and optimization of products and manufacturing tools. In the future, the CAE system will be major providers of information to support design teams in decision making. Okay friends, what is the importance of CAD/CAM CAE? Here you can see that traditional development design cycle. In earlier days, After design, we build the model physically. After the trial only, we can measure the performance of the model whether it meet our requirements or not. If the model need any changes, we need to build the model once again. So we consumed more time and money to give a perfect model. And also in earlier days, there is no proper communication between part design, analysis and part production people. So we faced a lot of difficulties to release a new model to this world. But nowadays, by CAD/CAM based approach, after concept design by 3D modeling, we can get a virtual physical model. In the left side of the screen, you can see some components which are done by our company. These are examples for virtual physical model. This virtual physical model can be input to analysis software. So we analyze that model with all applicable parameters like material, load, temperature, etc. If the model need any changes, we can easily go back to 3D modeling. After doing every changes, we can come back to analysis software. So here we are avoiding to build the model physically. Once the model fulfill all the requirements, then only we will go for optimization, then manufacture. So by CAD/CAM based approach, we can save our valuable time and money. Also this CAD/CAM CAE, it formed a bridge between part design, analysis and part production people. So they can work efficiently to release a new model within a short period of time. Friends, what are the current scenarios of CAD/CAM CAE at industries? To develop complex parts, improve high quality, shorter product life cycle, high product development cycle, pressures to reduce cost, high material cost, metal to plastic conversions. What are the applications of CAD/CAM CAE at industries? Modeling, drafting, manufacturing, finite element analysis, sheet metal, routing, quality control, wire harness, mold design, piping and computational fluid dynamics. Friends, these all fields have lot of job opportunities at industries. For learning CAD/CAM CAE courses, there are lot of training centers in India. Among of them, in what way I can give you better training in CAD/CAM CAE? My new approach to learn CAD/CAM and CAE. Yes friends, you can learn CAD/CAM CAE courses through video training materials. Also, you can learn at your home through online by institute system. When I started my training center, conduct direct classroom training for every student like other institute, but the same students at end of the day, they forget tools whatever they learned from the first software. All the students eagerly joining the different softwares to ensure their multiple job opportunities, but will not able to memorize all the tools from the different software. I decided to remove this problem from the students. I have prepared all classes as video training materials with my voice to ensure the real-time class experience. By recording the voice, the students can repeatedly listen to the program, thus get good understanding of tool functions. Friends, this video classes is having all of your needs from the respective softwares. Currently, 60 students are doing CAD/CAM CAE courses in my institute. I have experimented this method of learning for last 6 months. The students have shown great satisfaction by this method of learning than direct classroom training. For better understanding, in this CD, I have given you 3 videos from different softwares. So you can analyze yourself by hearing these videos and acquire confidence by this method of learning. What are the CAD CAE softwares currently we are training in our institute? For CAD, AutoCAD, Pro E, CATIA, UG, SolidWorks. For CAE, Hypermesh, ANSYS, Moldflow and computational fluid dynamics using by Cambit and Fluent softwares. What are the certification courses we are conducting in our institute? Long-term courses, Master in Mechanical CAD, Master in AeroCAD, short-term courses, Diploma in Mechanical CAD and Diploma in AeroCAD. Friends, is it need to learn different softwares? Yes friends, you should learn, because you know well, it is the competitive world. There are different companies using different softwares. Even one company using different software. To increase your job opportunity, you have to do. Particularly, you should plan to learn within your academic. I am 100% confident in the video training material. I have explained utmost every tools to all the softwares. So, you can hear the videos as many more times and can easily complete all the softwares thoroughly. Friends, this opportunity you can't get by other institute, and there is no guarantee with other institute to complete all the software in your course schedule. But here, before completing the course, you have all the materials in your hand. So be confident friends. Friends, my heart request with you. If you hope to learn CAD/CAM CAE courses, consider our institute also in your enquiry list. Because our institute not at anywhere, it is in your home or in your place. Yes friends, certification courses at your home. Master in Mechanical CAD and Master in AeroCAD. Duration of the course is 1 year from the joining date. Up to that, we will provide you system in your place with internet connection. So, you can access the video training materials through online. After successful completion of your course, we will get back the system from you. Friends, for providing system, you no need to pay any extra amount to our institute. For some protect reason, we can't allow you to access the video training materials in your personal system. So, you can utilize this opportunity. Friends, what is the CAD software fee structure in our institute? Here you can see that fee structure. Friends, to better understand the practical application of those softwares, we have worked every exercises from machine drawing book also with GD&T application in your video training materials. Also, this GD&T knowledge is very essential in front of industries. What is the CAE software fee structure? Friends, like to understand the practical application of those softwares, we have worked with different finite element models using Hypermesh and also all the type of finite element analysis using by ANSYS, Moldflow and CFD softwares. Friends, job opportunities. Our institute registered with the leading job portal of Naukri, so we have a own database with that organization. So we assist your profile to reach every recruiters to ensure your job openings. You can also contact us for your academic project in the field of plastic product design and development for any consumer household products to automobile, aircraft, aerospace, like any projects. Okay, all kinds of mold design, designing of jigs and fixtures, analysis using by ANSYS, Hypermesh, Abacus and Moldflow. Friends, industrial visit. We can definitely arrange one-day industrial visit trip to the following places as Shar, Lignite Mines and Corporation and Atomic Power Station. Friends, also we can arrange 2 days industrial visit trip to Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, Bangalore. Okay. For in-plant training, we have a tie-up with Eco-Friendly Organizing Society this organization is arranging educational tour trip for every engineering colleges in India. So they have utmost contact with all over India. So for in-plan training, you just contact our project coordinator with your details, also in which industries you want to get training. We will try to do best for you. Friends, this is our contact details. Mr. R. Nandakumar, Project Coordinator, Bright Cat Solution Enterprises, number 55, Goodshed Road, Adambakam, Chennai. Friends, my aim of this introduction, if you impressed by that given material, please contact our institute for further details. Also, if you like this video, please upload this video in your Facebook. Also, please send me a friend request to the mentioned mail ID. Thank you friends. Thank you.